Hi guys. How are you doing today? I hope everything's fine. Today we are going to discuss a topic that's very dear to my heart, which is job rejections. This is an awfully painful experience that most, if not all of us, had experienced. I can compare this to a date where everything seems going well. Unfortunately, the ending is unpleasant. But this should not stop us from looking for a job, especially now, where a lot of people is losing its job due to the pandemic. Now is not the right time to give up. We have to be resilient to any kind of situation. We just have to learn, improve and move on from it. Before we start, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on any of our episodes. Please click that subscribe button and notification bell now. The job-seeking journey is the greatest career story that has ever been crafted. It is similar, if not totally related, to a rag-to-riches story where everyone has a negative experience. The script starts with you preparing a resume, submitting it to a lot of companies, then some will reply, and some will even chat or call you. They will ask for information, as if they are interested in you. Then, will make a promise to call you and give feedback. Days and weeks have passed by, you make a follow-up, but you get no feedback. You keep wondering if you will still get the job. Or did you say something wrong during the preliminary interview? Ultimately, the ending is, you just wait and wait to no avail, as if you have never existed. Probably, you will just think that this is a divine intervention or sign that you should just hold on to your current job. I am sure this is a very familiar scene that all of us had experienced. There are several questions that's been boggling us if we are getting rejected. Fortunately, I am here and I will give you 4 basic reasons why you are not getting a job call and how to address it. This is the first part of how to get a job fast. First reason, you are looking for a job in the wrong platform. Have you asked yourself, what platform are you using? Do you even have a LinkedIn account? These are the most important things that you must have in your job hunting journey. If you are in the wrong platform, you really can't secure the ideal job that you are looking for. LinkedIn is the Facebook for careers. This is the ideal platform in seeking your preferred job, as the features of this are complete. Communication is also easy, that's why employers are now using this platform. They are little by little shying away from the traditional job ads media. Aside from LinkedIn, have you explored passing your resume or CV to headhunters? Yes, headhunters. Don't worry, they are not killers. Their task is to match and look for talents that their clients or employers are looking for. In return, they get paid through commissions from the employer, without affecting your desired salary. It's one of the easier paths in looking for a job, as these headhunters will do the first part of hunting for you. They also conduct an initial assessment and interview to pre-screen if you are qualified for the position they are looking for. In this way, it minimizes the process, as you no longer have to wait for the result, as they can provide immediate feedback if you are qualified or not. Second reason, your expertise is not clear in your resume. Your CV contains vital information about your career experience, so if you don't clearly indicate your job expertise in this, then prospective employers will not even bother looking at it. Sometimes, we think that we are just alone in this universe. We often neglect the fact that we have a lot of competition in this job hunting journey. With thousands of applicants applying for one vacant position, obviously the recruiter has no time to look at each resume comprehensively. It's like a grocery store where you compete with a lot of products. Without a catchy attention-grabber headline, your prospective client will not even bother looking at you. That's why it's highly important to highlight your personal branding in your CV. Indicate your line of expertise in your headline. It would be better also if you can include what value you can bring into your prospective employer. Remember, the number of pages won't matter if you don't have a catchy line that will grab the attention of your employer. You win the battle in the beginning. Third reason, you are limiting your job search in specific position or industry. Imagine yourself trying to catch a fish in the ocean, but you are just in the shoreline where opportunities are limited. How can you catch a fish if you are just in one location? The ocean is so wide that you can catch as many fish as you want. This is similar to your job hunting journey. If you limit yourself to a specific industry or position, you are also limiting the opportunity in getting a new job. Get out of your comfort zone. If you will not expand and explore the marketplace, you will never get that dream job that you always aspire. Fourth reason, you are not tapping your own network. Nothing beats the referral system when it comes to job hunting or any business for that matter. It's always advantageous if you were referred by someone, because it gives comfort to your prospective employer. They can easily access your real profile by conducting a discreet background check through this system. They will have an idea on your behavior, performance, attitude, and other factors that may contribute in hiring you. So better ask your former colleagues or your network in LinkedIn if they have a job opening. Maybe they can give you a referral endorsement. Remember, connections do matter. There you have it, guys. Job opportunities will not just land to your lap and that's it. You have to exert an effort in order for you to land your dream job. You have to expand your network and put more confidence and premium to yourself. Hard work pays off when you are up for it. So what are you waiting for? Do these tips now and for sure you will land that dream job soon. For more career tips, please subscribe to my channel and help me spread the word. Who knows, we might be able to save lives in doing so. Watch out for more episodes as we will discuss part 2 of how to get a job fast. Until next time. See you soon.